Hello guys, this is Mathematic. Welcome back, and today's topic we are looking at simplifying the surds. A surd is an irrational number which have an index that has a fraction. The surd can be similar or dissimilar. What do I mean by saying dissimilar? So let's try to check out the examples of dissimilar surds. Dissimilar surds. If we have square root of if we have square root of 3 comma 2 root 3 and root 7. So let's try to check out the examples of similar surds. If we have 3 root 3 plus root 3, so this is similar surds. So now let's try to check out the rules to follow when simplifying surds. If we have root a times root a, which is equals to a, the answer will be the same. Then question 2, if we have a root c times b root d, which is equals to a b root c d. Then 3, if we have a root c positive or negative, b root c, the expression will be a plus or negative b root c. That's how expression will be, root c. Remember one thing, when you are given an expression like root a plus b, this is not equal to root a plus root b. Then and if you are also given a minus b, this one also is not equal to root a minus root b. So now let's simplify. Number 1, which is 6 root 243 minus root 12 plus 3 root 441. So now let's try to look for numbers which can go into 243 and 12 and 441. The number which can go in 243 is it's 3. 3 into 43, it will be 81. In short, the way we can write it's root 81 times root 3, because root 81 times 3 it will be 243, and for 12 it will be root 3 times root 4. As you can see, when you multiply 3 times 4 it will be 12. Then for 41, it will be 49 times 9. So as you can see here, let's try to stretch out the square root. Then square root of 81, it's 6, open bracket. Square root of 81 is 9. And for square root of 3, we don't have, so we leave it like where it is. And for square root of 4, it's 2. And square root of 3, it remains like that. Plus 3, open bracket, square root of 49, it will be 7. And square root of 9, it will be 3. Then let's try to multiply 6 times 9. 6 times 9, it is 54. Root square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 3 plus 3 times 7, which is the 21, times the 3, which is the 63. Then 54 minus 2. 54 minus 2. 54 minus 2, it is 52 square root of 3. Then there we are going just to get 1 squared because all the square roots are in similar form. So 52 square root of 3 plus 63, that's the answer. Thank you for watching.